Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. I love buying pretty paper, but it's even more exciting to share pretty paper. So I just got this collection a couple days ago from Ciao Bella. It's called The Sound of Spring. I love it. I've shown it already on Instagram and Facebook. I don't work for Ciao Bella, but it's my new obsession, and so I've bought already like 6 different collections. So before I use all of it, I thought I'd show you some of the papers, and then at the end, I'll show you a couple layouts I made. So this paper is quite glorious, as you could see. It's got that real kind of vintage mixed media illustration style, which I'm a huge fan of, and I kind of just want to frame this whole thing. This one says Soul Dreaming. They're all double-sided, kind of bold color palette. I like these almost like fiery amber shades. And then this is more like a vintage wallpaper look here. This I love, has a lot of cut apart elements here. These aren't die cut. So if you don't want to use these, I've already cut some out, but you could use the solid back side print. This has little tags, sayings, cute cat, birds. And then this one I really love. I think I'm gonna use this one next. I love these huge flowers, and I love pink and blue together, especially teal. I think it's a really nice kind of contrasting color. There's some really bright, bold pink there. Look at these pretty flowers. This kind of reminds me of artwork my parents had growing up. And then this has music notes. I don't know if you can see on there, and bricks. Love music notes and bricks. I have a lot of stencils with those on there. And then this has a cat, kind of like a watercolor look. Little hummingbird up there. The backside I also love. It looks like it's stitched around the corners. Cute, right? This is also fun. Look at that. I just love this. It's like half the work's done. Okay, I like this too. It's almost like shiplap, but pink. And then this has some irises, some kind of brocade, is that how you say it? Looking background there. And then this kind of patchwork. Cute, right? So now let me show you what I've made to give you some ideas. This I made the other day, and I love it. I used 2 sheets from the collection, lots of chipboard ivy from Scrapaholics. I'll have links to that if you like it. It's really cute. I think this was 2 packs of chipboard. I kind of went a little wild with chipboard, but I like it. And then some flowers from Prima Marketing, some hand cut butterflies, a wood frame. Love it. The beautiful was that cutout tag piece from that paper. And then this layout I also made recently. This I have a tutorial on how I put this together if you want to check that out too. Flowers from 49 and Market, some burlap. How cute. These little wishing bubbles, I think they're called, from 49 and Market. So cute, right? Some paint. But the illustrations with the birds and the hearts really gave me a good focal point for the layout, and I just kind of made a little collage that helped show off the paper, and I really like it. So let me know what you think about this line, and if you have other Ciao Bella collections you recommend, let me know in the comments, because I love them and I want them all. It's like Pokemon, gotta catch them all, you know what I'm saying? So subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, check it out, try it out, let's make some stuff. Bye!